In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reports to your records in Hubspot. Adding reports directly to your records is a great way to give your team more context without making them jump between dashboards and individual records. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a report card to a record layout so that key metrics are visible right where you're working with contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. First, open your Hubspot account and look to the top navigation bar. In the upper area, you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that to open your account settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main settings menu. Here, find and click on the section labeled Objects. When you expand this, you'll see the different object types you can work with, such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Choose the object whose records you want to customize. For example, if you want the report to appear on deal records, select Deals. This choice determines where your new report card will show up. Once you've selected your object, look for the tab called Record Customization. Click on that to open the layout editor for that object's records. If you've set up multiple record views, you'll see them listed here. Pick the specific view you want to edit, or stick with the default view if you want the report to appear for most users. Remember, any changes you make to that view will affect all records that use it. Inside the layout editor, you'll see the record broken into sections and columns. Hover your mouse over the middle or right-hand column until you see an option to Add Card, often shown with a plus icon. Click that to start adding a new card. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. From the options available, choose Report Card. This tells Hubspot that this new card will display a report rather than standard properties or associations. Now, give your card a clear card name that users will recognize and set an internal name to keep things organized behind the scenes. Next, use the drop-down menu to pick the specific report you want to display. Make sure the report you choose is relevant to the object type you're customizing. For instance, use a deals-based report for deal records. You can optionally apply filters here to narrow down what data appears on the card. This is helpful if you only want to highlight a subset of the report, like data for a particular pipeline or lifecycle stage. When you're happy with the setup, click Save in the card editor. Then, back in the main layout editor, click Save and Exit. Hubspot will apply these changes to all records that use that view, and your report card will now show directly on those records.